This is Ivy with the UT Physician International District. We are talking about compost today.
These are some kitchen scraps that I got from my kitchen to make our organic compost, and it's basically any kind of raw vegetables, or even dead flowers, even coffee grounds, and so what you do is you just eggshells, you just put them in a container with a lid, and you also want to make sure that you add in some dried grass and also some dirt, and then every few days you kind of stir it up and close the lid, and on a daily basis you can just add whatever kitchen scraps you have, coffee grounds, and after about 3 months you will get your organic fertilizer. Another organic fertilizer that we can easily make in our kitchen is citrus peels and rinds, especially during the winter time when the citrus fruit season. All you do is any kind of the peels, you just put them in a container, you add some water and a little bit, and maybe a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and just close it and put it in a shady area, and on a daily basis whenever you have citrus peels you just shove them in, and then after about 3 months or so you'll get organic fertilizer, and these are very good for flowers.
Thank you for joining us today, and I hope you enjoy our gardening section. If you have any question, please email to marketing@utphysician.com.